must be.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be doing some island boho twists. The hair I'll be using is the Freetress Poppin twist in 24-inch color 2, and I only use 2 packs. So I am starting off with my hair pre-sectioned so that I can move a lot quicker versus parting as I go.
We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up while we pullin' to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now.
Pretty much with island twists, I started off doing it as a traditional braid, like you would do traditional box braids, and then I braid down 3 to 4 times and then start twisting. Now the method that I use, I roll the hair, then twist so that it is locked in there and so that it don't slip. And the same thing when it came to adding in the curly pieces. I roll, then twist. And because with hair, it typically, if you don't do it correctly, it can slip the longer you wear it. Now, I did wear this hair only for 2 weeks because my head was itching. I couldn't take it anymore, so yeah. But if you're new here, guys, my name is Paris. My channel is Vibes with Paris, and I typically do hair videos. I've started doing gym content and other things. So if you do like the type of content that I post, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you do not miss any future videos. I do appreciate all my followers and my supporters, and I'm trying to hit that goal. So yeah, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and all the products that I have in here I will list down below.
Tell me that I wanna know about you. 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 So sweet, I know this one's for me. It don't sugar, so sweet. I know this one's for me. It don't matter what I follow, cause you're my baby. No matter what I follow, cause you're my baby. I know this one's for me. It don't sugar, so sweet. I know this one's for me. It don't sugar, so sweet. I know this one's for me. It don't sugar, so sweet. I know this one's for me. It don't matter what I follow, cause you're my baby. No matter what I follow, cause you're